Friends, my name is Santosh. Today, I would like to say something about present continuous tense. So, earlier we have already studied about simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. So now in today's lecture I am going to explain about present continuous tense. Lots of people confuse when we have to use present continuous tense, present perfect tense, otherwise other tense. When you want to speak in English, that time you must know some condition. So in English there are lots of conditions. When we think about the present continuous tense, in the present continuous tense there are various conditions. Means when we want to use present continuous tense, that time we know some conditions. Means earlier I have already teach you about I work, I will work and I am working. Means in my earlier video I have already teach you about three statements. So there is a one statement I am working. So why this statement is involved in present continuous tense? So definitely if you are watching my video, definitely you understand all the things related to present continuous tense. Why and which type of conditions we have to use present continuous tense. So don't go outside, please till at the end of my video, and if you like my video, press the like button, subscribe my channel. So present continuous tense, present means now and continuous means working. So remember, when we think about the continuous means I am teaching. At that time you are listening. That means continuous conditions. Remember, what is the meaning of continuous? Continuous means action is working. Continuous means action is working. So when we think about the 5 points, all the points, it's very simple. If you are watching my video very carefully, what is the point? Action happening now. Any condition is working. As like I am teaching, action is working. Means if any activity is happening, any action is working, on that time we use present continuous tense. That is the first point. Remember, I am writing a letter, action is working. You are listening my video, action is working. The television is playing, I am playing game. I am calling someone, action is working. Means if any activity, otherwise any action is working, on that time you use present continuous tense. That is the first point. Second point, temporary situation. What is the meaning of temporary? Temporary means only for certain time. If we think about the permanent situation we use in simple present tense. That things I already teach you. If we think about the permanent situation, I teach, that is the permanent situation. But temporary situation, I am standing on the bus stand, I am sitting on the chair, means that action, that moment stay only for few moments, few minutes. Remember what I want to say, if any action is working, otherwise it stay only for certain time, on that time you use present continuous tense. Temporary situation, I am sitting on chair, this is the temporary situation. Means you are not doing any work, but you are sitting on the chair. You are not doing any work, but you are standing on the bus stand. You are not doing any work, but you are waiting someone. Means temporary situation. Our first point, action happening now. I am teaching. And next point, action on working. What is the meaning of action on working? You are listening my lecture. That means you are working conditions. You are working, you are writing. So what meaning of first point, second point and third point? No any differences, but little differences. Action happening now, any activity is happening, that is the first point. Temporary situation, there is no any action, but there is the situation. That situation said that this situation happen, this situation stay only for few time. That means I am waiting on bus stand. That is the second point. What is the third point? Action on working. I am teaching. Remember, no any differences between action happening now or action on working. Means both the points similar to each other. If you are listening my video very carefully, definitely you understand what is the difference between action happening now and action on working. No any more than differences. Both the points is similar to each other. So that's why don't be confused. If you want to speak in English, that time you must know some conditions. If you know condition, definitely you will speak English as soon as possible. So when we think about the next point means developing situation. What is mean by developing situation? That situation is changing, that situation is improving, that situation is developing. Means I am teaching as well as my knowledge is developing. I am teaching as well as my knowledge is developing. Means I am not seeing that activity, I am not seeing that thing, but that activity, that action indirectly working. That means developing situation. Changing situation. I am improving my knowledge. Suddenly rain is coming. Changing situation, changing atmosphere. Means if anything is developed right now, I am developing my knowledge. Means when you want to speak in English, if you want to use present continuous tense, that time you know some condition. What is our last condition? Definite future plan. Definite means confirm. Confirm. Don't use I will go to Pune. Use I am going to Pune if that plan is definite. Means definitely. Means confirm. I am calling you tomorrow. I am going to dinner at night. Definite future plans. No any changes happen in that point. On that time use present continuous tense. That is the basic thing. Means if you want to use present continuous tense, on that time you know action happening now, temporary situation, action on working, developing situation and definite future plan. I am going to explain each and every points. One example, action happening now. I am teaching. Means action is happening. I am teaching. Temporary situation. You are sitting on bus stand. You are sitting on chair. You are sitting on bed, like etc. Action on working. You are listening my lecture. You are doing some work. You are watching my video. Action on working. Then developing situation. I am improving my knowledge. You are improving your knowledge. Then definite future plan. I am going to explain as soon as possible next video. That is the definite future plan. These are points involved in a present continuous tense. So right now we focus on formula. What is the formula? Formula is subject plus am is are plus V4 and object. Remember. So when we think about the formula, there are 4 points. Means if you want to ask a question, that time you use are you. Are you listening my lecture? Means firstly you use helping verb. If you want to ask any question, that time firstly you start any sentences using helping verb. Are you going to play cricket? Are you watching my video? So when we think about the formula, this is the positive formula, means affirmative formula, subject plus MSR plus V4 plus object. This is our affirmative formula. Negative formula, I am not doing work, enter only not. I am not going to Pune, means enter only not. I am not calling you, enter only not. That means negative thing. I am doing work, positive thing. I am not doing work, negative thing. But if you want to ask question, are you doing thing? Definitely. Remember, when you want to ask question, that time using helping verb, you ask anyone, are you doing some work? That is the formula. But remember, if you want to use present continuous tense, on that time you must know action happening now, temporary situation, action on working, developing situation, and definite future plan. If you know all the things, definitely you use present continuous tense very well. I hope you understand my lecture. So if you are not understanding my lecture, once again revise my video and watch once again. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.